Okay, Tomica unboxing number 3. I am looking forward to this. So, if you saw the last video, you saw that this was in a certain layout. I've since changed that and kind of shuffled it around a bit. I wanted to open these two, the Mitsuoka Buddy and the Toyota RAV4, for a reason, and that's because if you didn't know, the Mitsuoka Buddy and the RAV4, well, they just happen to be the same thing. Um, it's just a body kit for the RAV4, the Buddy is. And it's kind of a cool car. Something that would be fun to see in the United States, but I know will never happen. I'm a big fan of the RAV4. I was in a I needed to get a new car, and I wanted to buy a RAV4. This generation, the current generation RAV4, couldn't do it. Prices were ridiculous. These suckers hold their value so well that I ended up with a 15 Highlander. And tell you what, I am extremely happy with the Highlander, but boy, do I love the RAV4. And I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be Blue Flame on here, and this is shoot, I'm gonna draw a blank right now. Of course I am. Lunar Rock with a white top. Lunar Rock and Blue Flame are two of my favorite colors on the RAV4, so this is fun. I'm excited about this. And then I have the Volvo C40 Recharge. So I'm going to save my favorites for last. So we're going to open the Volvo first. Dang it. Oh, man. There we go. Okay. Sideways. Someone in my Discord server was talking about this recently, so I wanted to get it. So why not? There you go. Here's the front of it with the Volvo emblem. The headlights appear to be separate pieces, which is nice. I like the black roof. That's nice as well. And then there's some pretty solid detail on the back here. Looks realistic. Whoops, almost dropped it. And focus. There we go. So there is the C40. You're going to go down there with the rest of them while I pick up my garbage. So I found part of the reason the last video was so blurry was because it takes forever for this thing to focus, so I will try to allow the camera to focus a little better. So, there. Just start putting them up here where they're going to end up eventually. So, the Mitsuoka Buddy. This is the RAV4, not RAV4. Come on. Oh, wait, I just noticed. That's nice. They're at least both 1/66th scale. So they probably use the similar castings, but just revised them. So that's why I wanted to open these together, because I wanted to compare the castings in one video. So come on. Probably helps if I open them on the seam. instead of just yank on the tabs. Alright. Oh, that was in the right way. Nice. Oh, this is actually not the blue that I thought it was. That's more of a light blue, I guess. This is probably a Mitsuoka Buddy specific color. Curse you, lighting. Boy, do I like that. Oh, look, you can see they were so kind to put the decal on there. I like this. I know this is supposed to be like Chevy Blazer, like old school Blazer themed. I just friggin' like this. Boy. Yeah. There you go. It just takes a little patience to let it focus. Boy, when it focuses, looks pretty nice. Yeah. Oh, that's weird. Oh wait, no, it looks like it's just open where the oil access is, but yeah. Yeah, isn't that neat? I like that. Alright, now, time to compare it to the RAV4, which I'm sure it'll be very similar. But I'm just, that's thrilling. I enjoy that. I'm easily amused by diecast, and that's fine. Is there a trick? If someone can educate me, what's the trick to getting these open without struggling? Do you use a pocket knife? A regular knife? Is there a certain way you're supposed to pull these tabs and they just come open for you? Or does everyone struggle with these darn things? Some are easy, some just, you gotta like, just rip into it. Alright. Time to do this off screen so I can put it next to my face. There we go. Okay. And this one's still fighting me. What the heck? Got it. Alright. Yep. This is Blue Flame, one of my favorite RAV4 colors. Oh, and this one has something in it. What do you have to tell me? I don't speak Japanese. If someone sees this and they want to use that code, go for it, because I'm not sure what's going on here. So, freebie for you. But here's the RAV4. Oh, now I have to say, the Mitsuoka is a lot nicer than the RAV4 is. Yeah. Let's put these next to each other. Yeah. So we'll go the front, focus. Yeah. Not to say I don't like the RAV4. This is an adventure grade here in the US. Here's the side. Let's get my stupid hands out of the way here. Side. Here's the rear. They have two different sets of wheels. The casting on the roof is about the same. And side by side, the bottoms are... Give me some lighting. There we go. They are different. This RAV4 appears to be two-wheel drive, and the Mitsuoka Buddy is all-wheel drive. That's cool. One thing here, the Buddy does not have an opening hatch, but the RAV4 does. Yeah, there's the hatch. It appears... Well, I'm trying to see this through my camera, but I'm pretty sure. Oh, it's just a black stripe, but in the U.S. that would say Adventure on it. So there's the other RAV4. Other RAV4. This is the RAV4. This is a RAV4 that's not a RAV4. I like these. I like all of these. I've really been enjoying opening all these Tomicas. It brings back memories to when I was a teenage lad and spent money irresponsibly, and now I'm an adult lad who spends money somewhat responsibly. But, thanks for watching, and there's still more Tomica for the future. Thank you.